Hello everyone, it's Emeka here and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to be the first video in this piano beginner series. Okay, so in this series I'm going to be introducing you to the piano, and I'm going to be teaching from scratch and showing you the basic things you need to know so that you can start playing the piano. So in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the piano, and then in the next videos we're going to be covering things like half steps and whole steps, sharps, flats, and other stuff like major scales and every other thing that is necessary for you to get started in playing the piano. So let me stop right now and let's get right into the lesson. So the first thing to know before playing the piano is that the piano is made up of white notes and black notes. Okay, so these are the white notes, okay, and these are the black notes. Okay, and I want you to know that we have 12 notes altogether on the piano, and these 12 notes are repeated across the entire piano. So let me give you an example. These are the 12 notes on the piano: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this group of 12 notes from here to here, okay, are the same 12 notes that are repeated across the entire keyboard. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? And at the same 12 notes you're also going to find there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? So the piano is made up of a group of 12 notes that is repeated across the entire piano. That is why you have something like 2 black notes, 3 black notes, 2 black notes, 3 black notes, 2 black notes, 3 black notes, okay? And here we have 7 white notes, okay? Here we have 7 white notes again repeated, and here we have another 7 white notes repeated, okay? And the reason why we have this repetition of white and black notes is because these 12 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are repeated across the entire piano. So this is the first thing I want you to know. Now the second thing you're expected to know is that these notes have names, okay? So the names of the white notes are gotten from the first 7 letters of the English alphabet. So if you know the letters of the English alphabet, you know it starts from A and goes all the way to Z, okay? But we're going to take the first 7 letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And we're going to use those 7 letters to name the white notes on the piano. So let's do that, okay? So this is the way we're going to start. Whenever you see any group of 2 black notes, okay, if you go behind these 2 notes, you're going to have C. So this note here is called C. If you see this is another group of 2 black notes, if you go behind the group of 2 black notes, you have C. So this note is called C on the piano. Let me give you one more example. These are another group of 2 black notes. If you go behind this group of 2 black notes, you're going to have C. So this note here is called C on the piano. So we have C, 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 okay? So that's C. So whenever you see two black notes and you go behind it, you have C. So if this is C, the next thing that comes with the alphabet is D, okay? So this is D. Then after D, you have E. Then after E, you have F. Then after F, you have G. Now, remember I told you that we're going to take the first 7 letters of the alphabet, which is from A to G. So when you get to G, the next note on the piano is going to be A. You're not going to go to H, okay? You're going to go to A. So this note is A. Then after A, we have B. Then C. Then D. Then E. Then F, okay? Then G. Then A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, A, and on, okay? So that is how we name the white notes on the piano, okay? It does not matter where you're starting from. You could start from here. This is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, 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 C, okay? Okay, so those are the names of the white notes on the piano. Now, before we go to the black notes on the piano, there's something I want you to know. you see the names for the white notes on the piano. I want you to know that these white notes also have other names, okay? But those group of names that I gave you before are the most common names that you see for the white notes on the piano, okay? And the concept of a note having more than one name is called enharmonic equivalence. We're going to go into this topic later on in this series, okay? Now let's move to the black notes. Now the black notes also have their own names, okay? But there's something I want you to know. These black notes, like the white notes, can have more than one name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the two common names for each black note, okay? I'm just going to tell you the two common names for each black note. And when we advance in this series, we're going to explain why some of these notes have more than one name. So whenever you see this group of two black notes, the first note in this group of two black notes, the first note is called C sharp or D flat. Now you might not understand what the sharp is or what the flat is. Don't worry. As we go on in this series, I'm going to explain it, okay? But if you look at the screen right now, you're going to see the symbol for a sharp, and you're also going to see the symbol for a flat. So this note here is called C sharp or D flat. This note here is called D sharp or E flat. This note here is called F sharp or G flat. This note here is called G sharp or A flat. And then this note here is called A sharp or B flat. So we have C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, okay? So these are the names of the black notes on the piano, okay? And as we move forward in the next set of videos, okay, I'm going to explain to you why some of these notes have more than one name, okay? So I'm going to stop here in this lesson, okay? And in the next lesson, we're going to look at the concept of half steps and whole steps. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. Thank you.